we're gonna do the reverse lights. It's very simple. It's just 2 Phillips heads that you're gonna remove out, and this whole thing pops down. So get any flathead, any Phillips that you have. If you have a drill, this will probably be the easiest thing to do. If not, the good old way is always the best way. You guys can tell it's already coming loose just by removing one, not removing the other. Again, it's that simple. Actually, you guys can tell it wasn't even sitting in all the way. Again, it already has an LED in there, but we're going to be putting our bulbs in there. This is a older type of generation LEDs from another company. We don't know the results or how bright these are. They weren't that bright when we saw them, but again, we're just putting our bulbs. And again, the fitment is just not that great. It's not for our likings. So we're gonna be getting our L-T10, which are a white color. If it's a L-T10B, that's for blue. So if it has a letter after the T10, most likely it's a different color. If it's just T10, it's just white. You guys could tell, very snug fits. You won't have any wiggle play or anything like that. And then for installation, you just want to guide it in and actually lock it. I believe this might be broken. Yeah, this might be broken. Looks like they either shaved it down. By the looks of it, they did shave it down either to make it fit for the other bulb. Yeah, this is gone. It's just, it doesn't grab. So we'll be following up with the customer, letting him know this. But yeah, this particular bulb here is just shaved, nothing to grab. So we might have to put some type of adhesive to make sure they stick on. We'll let the customer know so he's aware what's going on here. But let's pretend like if they were to be locked in. If they're locked in, you just simply grab and push in. From there, you put the 2 screws back in and you tighten everything up. So let's do that now. Once you have one, it's not that much play. Just tighten the other and you guys are done. Again, normally in these cases we don't do this, but this is an old employee of ours, so we're gonna make sure he's aware of that bulb not fully screwed on. Hopefully he could buy a new socket and a new housing so everything stays snug. So let's turn the bulbs on real fast and we'll show you guys how bright these are. As you guys could tell, ours are solid. And if you can tell right here, hopefully the camera catches that, there's a small flicker to the other bulb. That's just the bad part about buying from another company.